Hello students, these are the next three exercises from chapter number 11 of the topic double consonants curves. These are the exercises, exercise number 77, 78 and 79. Let's start with exercise number 77 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I am afraid that the measures we have adopted are not nearly strong enough. If we hope ever to get Mr. Crook to settle this debt, I believe it will be necessary to bring more pressure to bear on him. The property is located on the northwest corner of Spring Street. This is a good spot for a store. The price which the owners ask is remarkably low. Indeed, the property can be purchased today for a mere trifle of its worth. Originally, of course, the owners asked much more for the building. We are sure that you will think favorably of this corner, and we suggest that you look it over as soon as possible. It is near all transit facilities, and in our view, you could not locate your store in a more desirable spot. Manor Park is a delightful place in the spring and summer. The park is full of trees, shrubs and flowers. Next is exercise number 78 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Please type an original and a duplicate copy of this lease for Mr. Skinner. I expect to fly to North Bay tomorrow, and I shall be glad if you will meet me on my arrival to tell me everything that is necessary about the case. I regret that I am unable to deliver the goods to you sooner, nor is it possible to say at present when they can be delivered. Are you sure that the enclosures were put in the envelope? Yes, I put them in personally. Either we shall have to take more space in some other building, or we shall have to take over an entire floor in this building. Personally, I believe that it would be better to lease a larger floor in some other building. Of course, I shall do nothing without your final approval. Next is exercise number 78 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Mr. Bridges, it will be a pleasure and a privilege to speak to your members at the dinner to be given at the Hotel Webster next Friday night, 10th October. If it meets with your approval, I shall take as my topic the better use of our leisure time. I know that most people believe that they have too little time for play, largely because of the pressure of normal everyday affairs. However, nearly everybody has hours to spare, and it is quite surprising how much time is wasted because people think they have no time for leisure. In my remarks, I shall endeavor to show that it is worth an effort to make a better use of our ideal hours. Yours respectfully. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.